flavour. Really good. So from now on, for me, no more English breakfast tea, masala tea. We've just stopped at this river, which is called Sapan Han. Recently, this area was renovated to modernise it a little bit, and we haven't been here in the evening, but I can see here there's lots of lights, and I imagine in the evening it'll probably be a very interesting place to come. If we get the chance in the evening when we're not working, it would be nice to come back here and see it lit up and just soak in the atmosphere. I think it'll probably be a very nice spot to come to for a couple of hours. Once you come out of the train station at Wat Mangkon and just cross over from the train station, and there's a street that you can walk through, and the street, it's just a huge stimulation to your senses. There's lots of smells of Chinese herbs, and there's a lot of seafood there. There's just many colours, and there's a lot of activity there. Just looking around and just absorbing the atmosphere, it's really interesting and fascinating. Definitely worth a visit. Then once you get through this main street, there's another street on the other side of the road which is selling a huge selection of fruit, and then there's a lot of street food, there's a lot of fried food options that you've got. Honestly, in this small road, I think probably anything could happen. For example, when we were walking through, there's a guy trying to get through, weave his way through all of the vendors, through all of the traffic, holding a 10 or 15 foot ladder. And then we spotted this cat, and at first I was a little bit concerned, thinking, oh, is that cat still alive? Oh, how cute. I've just seen its tail move as well, so it's definitely all right.
At first I thought it's died.
But it wasn't. There's a motorbike parked and the cat stretched out in the middle of the day having a sleep. So it's a fantastic place to see what foods are available, but just to look around and just watch the activity that's going on, because it's so varied. And then this area that we're at now, so this is the canal, and from this point of the canal we're going to head to the Indian area, which I mentioned earlier, which is called Jerry, help me out.
Phahurat.
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 I say it the wrong way. Phahurat. Yes. Let's go, because I really want some food. I'm starving.
Oh, that one's so nice. You have to try that.
This restaurant is called Tony's Restaurant. It's about 50 meters from Sapan Han. It's an experience that you don't usually get in an Indian restaurant or in many restaurants, because often the kitchen is out of sight. You can see the chef cooking in an open air kitchen. We really enjoy watching the chef cooking the food and watching all of the ingredients going into each dish. The menu here, the food for Indian food, seems really cheap, because usually when you go to an Indian restaurant somewhere in Thailand, you expect to pay a little bit more, of course, than what you would for Thai food. But here it seems most of the dishes are 50 baht, 80 baht, or 100 baht, and I've just been and watched them cooking it in the kitchen, and everything looks delicious. Hope it tastes as nice as it looks. This tea is called masala tea. Honestly, it's absolutely delicious. You can just taste a slight, I don't know if it's spice, but it's just full of flavour. It's actually nicer than a normal cup of tea. So from now on, for me, no more English breakfast tea, masala tea. If you'd like to support the channel and buy us either a lassi or a masala tea, there's a link in the description. Cheers. Well, that's nice. We've got a little bit of chicken tikka masala and chicken biryani, and we've got a naan bread, plain naan, and Jerry, you'll have to mention the other two things. I can't remember what they are.
I order another naan with the onion and the thing called pani puri.
Pani puri.
Yeah, pani puri.
This is an Indian snack called Bane Puri. It's round or ball shaped, and it's hollow buri or a deep fried crisp flatbread.
It's just put sausage like this.
What's the sauce?
Some Indian herb.
And it's filled with a mixture of flavoured water which has tamarind, chutney, chili powder, chaat masala, potato mash, onion or chickpeas. What's the verdict, taste tester?
Ooh. อร่อยมาก
I wonder how you say delicious in Indian.
Let's ask.
Ask.
You can get this in the restaurant. It's as the same as the restaurant in Phuket or Krabi, but in the cheaper price
You mean it's a cheaper price here?
here.
The way you said that, you said it as if the price is cheaper in Phuket.
Okay, let me say.
Say it again. Thank you. Oh, that's really nice. Delicious. Thank you. $365. Very good.
You think normally we paid in Phuket?
Oh, about 1,000. Yeah, it's very good price. Now it's time for a little bit of dessert.
Dessert. Oh. Dessert that?
Soap? That smells soap.
Ah.
That's all of the soap. Can you smell soap?
Yeah.
We then walked to an area known as Phahurat, and the day we went was the day before Diwali festival, so the area was really busy and a lot of local people were buying snacks for their family.
Oh, smell nice.
Smells good too. When we walked into the shop, we were just greeted by a huge assortment of desserts.
This box 1 kilo 260.
Okay.
Shall we get just half a kilo?
Yes.
เอาครึ่งกิโลครับเอารวมครับผม เอาอันที่อร่อย
I was just gonna get a mixture.
Yeah, mix.
Personally, I didn't have a clue what anything was. We decided to get an assorted box and we put it into the hands of an expert, and we let one of the shop assistants choose her favourites for us. Oh, and relax. Look at this. We're back in Ceylon and this is Lumpini Park. And what a contrast this is to Chinatown and the Indian area. They were amazing. I absolutely loved the amount of activity that was happening there. But making a comparison between there and here, this seems even more blissful and even more peaceful. And it's even better because I've got a big box of Indian cake. Let's have a look at these desserts. It was really busy in this shop, and I think the reason why it was busy is because tomorrow is November the 4th. By the time you watch this video, it'll probably be after November the 4th. But November the 4th is Diwali, and there were a lot of people in there buying these desserts. I'm not really sure what they are and what they're made of. Right, we're gonna try this one. So this one makes me think it looks a bit like chocolate or like a brownie. Oh, it's really nice. It's very sweet. The texture, it's a little bit like a cake, but it's got like that icing texture. Oh, I really like that. I'm gonna have to eat it all. That's lush. Oh, I love that. Another one there. What do you think?
It's nicer than expected.
Yeah, I didn't have a high expectation. I don't know why, but it was actually really nice.
Oh, I like it. Oh, I'm glad that we stopped by at that sweet shop.
Yeah, I'm glad that we got a selection as well.
Yeah.
Because the woman just selected a few of them for you. I didn't have a clue.
I asked her, can you pick something right for me, please? Because I don't know about the Indian dessert at all.
Yeah, I was just going to pick something just because the colour was nice or it looked pretty.
The pink.
Oh, it's lovely this. Like a biscuit. These desserts are tasty and they are extremely sweet. I definitely think we need to do a little bit of exercise after eating some of these. I wasn't expecting it to be nice. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video in a few days' time.